Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make happy birthday video with photos. Here are the easy steps to make a happy birthday video with photos using CapCut on your mobile device. Step 1. Install and open CapCut. Download and open the CapCut app from the Google Play Store if not already installed. Step 2. Import photos. Tap New Project. Select the birthday photos from your gallery that you want in the video. Then tap Add. Step 3. Arrange and adjust. Drag and reorder the photos as needed to create the right sequence. Adjust each photo's duration. For example, 3 to 5 seconds for a photo by tapping it and dragging those edges. Step 4. Add music and text. Tap Audio, Sounds, and choose a birthday themed song. For example, This Party. Tap on the download, then hit the Add button. Tap Text and add text to insert greetings like happy birthday name or wishing you the best. Hit enter, then tap on checkmark to confirm. Lastly, add effects and export. Tap stickers to decorate your video with balloons, confetti, candles, etc. So to do this, tap on the birthday themed stickers, place them anywhere in your screen, then hit the check mark. Preview the video and make final adjustments by tapping play. Tap the export icon with the line at the top right to save the video to your gallery. And done! You now have a fun, personalized happy birthday video made with CapCut. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.